Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Wednesday, November 18th, 2009. This morning I wanted to go through Opentalk ST to ST communication again, but instead of VisualWorks to VisualWorks, we're going to do ObjectStudio running on Windows 7 to VisualWorks running on Mac. And the way we're going to do this is we go over here to Tools and ObjectStudio Parcel Manager. Now it turns out I've already loaded the Smalltalk to Smalltalk communication code, but to show you where you get it, you go here to Distributed, scroll down STST, and do a load at that point. Now once you've done that, what you can do is open up a workspace. I've opened up a VisualWorks workspace because I have workspace variables. It makes my life a little simpler. So I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to advertise the collection, which is something I did yesterday. And now I'm advertising this from the ObjectStudio side using the same kind of code I did the other day. Now let's go back over to VisualWorks, and what we're going to do is we're going to do the client side of this. We're going to start a broker. And then what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down here and get an object reference by doing this code here, and that's the IP address of this guy. I don't have him set up in host or anything, so the machine name isn't known, as it were. And now that I've got the remote collection, I can ask it for the first object by doing this same code where I tell it to go ahead and do message selector first to the remote collection. Let's inspect that. And you see I've got it. Now, again, we can do this in a simpler fashion. If I scroll down, I've got collection broker, remote object to host, so I can gather an actual reference to the collection itself a little more simply. And then at that point, I can inspect this guy. And you see I've got the actual collection, which I can message. So I can either pull that across, as it were, from here, or I can just message it from here. And that's pretty much all there is to it. This works exactly the same way as what I've been showing you with VisualWorks to VisualWorks communication. This is just VisualWorks to ObjectStudio running between Mac and Windows. So it's the same kind of code, same exact framework, just across two different platforms using two different Smalltalks. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.